Now let's look at 5 investing mistakes to avoid for beginners. Are you a new investor or you just want to start investing? Fine. This is the right video for you. So in this video, I'm going to reveal to you top 5 mistakes that could cost you thousands, that could cost you millions of naira. So stick to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do what to subscribe to my channel. Keep the notification button on, like and share my videos. The first point is no research. That's the first mistake, no research. A lot of people start investments, going to investing without proper research. Yes, it is very important you do your research. Here in this channel, when I give crypto updates, I make it known to you that you must do your proper research before going to investments. So it is important to do your research to know if you're actually doing the right thing, if that is actually going to help you. So please do your research before making any financial decision. It's very important. So let's go into the second mistake. Second mistake is emotional investing. So when you're taking financial decision, please take your time. Don't let emotions guide your investment decision. It is very important. Stay calm and make your decision. Don't be too, that's amazing. I love this. I want to go for this. And then all of a sudden you don't take your time and then you're rushing into it. I'm sorry about the outcome. If you end up finding yourself in a space where you cannot come out right, it is a problem for you. So I'm sorry. Please take note of this mistake. It is very common. Emotional investing. You're going in with emotions. You're going in with sentiments. You're going in because maybe Oga had done it and then you want to do it. You're going in because someone had persuaded you to do it. You're going in because, oh, there's a current problem at hand and then you need money to solve, and then you're like, okay, this investment outcome, the result is going to help me achieve this, and I'll please take out emotions out of it and go ahead and do your investment. It's very important. Okay, so the third mistake is no diversification. Now spread your investment across different asset classes. Yes, to avoid risk. It is very important. So spread your investment across different asset classes to minimize risk. I see people invest and then they carry a chunk of money into a certain kind of investment that they don't really know much about. Please spread your investment across different assets so you minimize the risk. The outcome of this risk, I can't tell, but then it's advisable. So you think of, okay, you don't have to start thinking of, oh, all my money is gone there. I can't tell, but then it's important you spread it. So the next point is, the fourth mistake is chasing trends. Because a lot of people are going into this particular MMM, OOO, PPP, YYY, you want to join the crowd. Don't follow the crowd. Make informed investment decision. Don't follow the crowd. Don't follow the crowd. Make informed investment decision based on your own goals. That's going to guide you. That's going to give you the outcome, the results you need, not the trend, not following trends, not following people, because a lot of people are going to that particular platform. A lot of people are investing. A lot of people are doing that. Then you want to join. It is not advisable. So that's one of the mistakes people make. So please stop chasing trends when you are investing. Follow your goals. And we have the last point to be quick return. Quick return. Quick return is one mistake people make. You're rushing into an investment because you feel you're going to make your return in 1 hour time, overnight. You're going to have it in the next few minutes. It doesn't work that way, please. So investing is a long-term game. So don't expect quick return or get discouraged by short-term losses, because definitely you might have a little form of loss. You might have some form of losses. So please do not think you're going to have a quick return. It doesn't work that way. So that's one of the mistakes people make. They think, oh, I've started investment, so I should have my money in the next 1 hour, in the next 2 hours. Please do not think about that. Do the right thing. Follow your goals. Don't follow the trend. And do not forget to do your market research, which happens to be the first thing I talked about. Very important. So Thank you for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel. Keep your notification button on, like and share my videos for more interesting videos like this on crypto updates, business news, business advice, ideas, news, read a whole lot on this channel, Jaybush channel. Thank you for stopping by. I remain Jaybush, your favorite host. Thank you.